Hello, Bachcha Party. Today we are going to discuss the chapter that is light. And class 10th topic light is light reflection and refraction. Light is a basic concept since class 7 to class 10th. So, in physics, it's a most important topic. We can say it's a science topic. Okay. When you go in a dark room, what will you see? You can see nothing. And when you close your eyes, what you can see? You can't see anything. But when you open up your eyes and when you on the light of the dark room, you can see the things clearly. Okay? So here the term comes, definition of light comes, anything which makes things visible to us, called light. It can be in any format. Okay. But there are some objects, if you fall light on this paper, you can see nothing besides it. But if there is a glass plate and you fall light on that, you can see the objects behind that. Means it depends on objects also. So there are three kinds of object. First one is transparent. Transparent, what is transparent? Object which makes or which pass light through it. We can't say completely because nothing is completely ideal, but which almost completely pass, which almost pass light through it, that is called transparent. Examples kya? What is examples? Example is glass. Glass is almost pass light through it. Second object is opaque, which cannot pass light through it. For example, wall. Behind wall you can't see anything. How much amount of light you fall on it, you can't see behind it. Third is translucent. Means which, for example, water. At some level you can see the things which is inside the water, but at sea level you can't see the objects what is inside it. Means semi conductor type property, means semi permeable property. Semi permeable property. Semi permeable property, though which you can see the objects or you can't see the objects. Means you can see it partially, not completely clear but partially. Means though which passes the light almost 50% through it, or though which we cannot clearly see the objects. So you can make the definition of translucent. For example, water or anything though which you can see the objects not so clearly. Okay, it's your work that you have to find the example of translucent. So Here we discuss about the term reflection and refraction. What is reflection and what is refraction? When a polished surface, that is mirror. For example, you have to given a mirror. You have to fall light on it. But when you fall the light, you see the image of this one. This mirror reflection here you see. That is means the light you see the mirror to another side, that is called reflection. But this has also condition. Not every time the light fall on it and you see the its image. It depends on condition. First condition is angle of incidence. Light which is incidented, light which is fall called incident light, and light goes back is called reflected light. Okay, here is the normal. Normal is to check whether we are taking that in a plane or not. This is called the angle formed with normal axis called angle of incidence, and angle formed with the normal axis after reflection called angle of reflection. That is, first condition is angle I is equal to angle R, and second condition, they must lie on same plane. They must lie on same plane. What is plane? Plane is on the same surface, means that is the condition, they must be lie on a same plane, same area, same side, same object. Okay, these are the condition of reflection. I hope you can clearly understand what is light and what are transparent, translucent or opaque objects. Okay, in next we will discuss about refraction.